Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve 4 power x minus 2 equal 36 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So I am going to take logarithmic on both sides. So 4 power now x minus 2 is equals to log 36. Now according to log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So x minus 2 log 4 is equals to log 36. X minus 2 is equals to log 36 by log 4. Now 36 you can write it as 9 times 4 and then apply the log identity, or you can directly put the value. So x minus 2 is equals to approximately log 36 is 1.5563. You can check in calculator, and log 4 is approximately 0.6021. So x minus 2 is approximately 1.5563 divided by 0.6021 is 2.585. Now x is approximately 2.585 plus 2, which is equals to 4.585. So this is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.